there. I was curious whether you guys have ever dealt with like an immense amount of anxiety sort of in, not just in stand-up, but also in writers' rooms, and how you sort of dealt with that and allowed yourself to speak up in situations where you might have felt, I'm not the funniest person in this room.
Yeah, I feel like anxiety is, I have always dealt with some level of anxiety, and I still get it even before I perform and stuff. And I think it is a question of like managing it. And for me, what really has helped is just like we were saying, like sort of developing your sense of humor around people that you feel good collaborating with and who like appreciate your sense of humor. And then by virtue of just like progressing in stand-up, you kind of get more confident, or I guess it doesn't have to be stand-up, whatever, specific medium you're in. And that sort of adds to your own, confidence in like your ability to write and create, and like the opportunities kind of also supplement your belief in yourself. But I do think it is important to surround yourself with people who get you and not people who are sort of going to just make you feel worse, because I think it can be isolating already with like if you have a bad audience or like a mean troll or something. Yeah.